In December, we crossed the border with a caravan and settled in San Felipe for a few days before continuing our almost 2-month adventure down the Baja Peninsula.
We're Rich and Robin.
And this is our midlife van.
After leaving Puertecitos Hot Springs, we met up with our friends Never Say Someday at Camp Archelon in Bahia de Los Angeles. We spent 4 nights at the campground on the water with a wonderful palapa for the price of $8 a person each day. They had a great cafe with Wi-Fi as there's no cell service in the area. They had nice restrooms and showers, though the showers were not always warm, so we got out our new solar shower to try it out for rinsing off after being in the water. Our friends Stephen and Alexis took us to one of their favorite spots for dinner on our first night, China's. Rich and I enjoyed it so much that we went 2 more times. We had one full windy day in Bahia de Los Angeles, but at least we were able to go on our daily walk in the morning. Bahia de Los Angeles, taking a little walk. Headed to the Lighthouse. We made it to the lighthouse from our campsite over there. Oh, over here. Town is there. And yesterday we had lunch. Had lunch at China's over here. Boat coming in. Maybe they're bringing us some more shrimp and fish for lunch. Here's the Sea of Cortez, some islands. Okay, a week ago we crossed the border into Baja from Mexicali.
Kind of hard to believe, but
smooth,
that, yeah.
Smooth, easy, safe. Such a beautiful day in Baja de Los Angeles. Our first non-windy day. Perfect day for a walk along the beach. Maybe a little kayak later. Heading out to Sea of Cortez on an expedition.
Gotta go all the way to the mainland.
I don't know about that. No, I don't even think we can get to that island. Or that island. After our first kayak of our stay, we explored the tide pools and the abundant underwater sea life. We enjoyed our daily walks in Bahia de Los Angeles. The low tide always brought out some great tide pools.
Buenos dias!
Buenos dias. Out in the kayak this morning. The wind is starting to pick up just a hair.
But not too bad. A
Yes.
little choppy.
Yesterday afternoon was too windy, so trying it first thing this morning. It's a beautiful day.
Where's camp? See it?
And there's our camp. Clear. Oh, there's like a behind you. Headed into town. Go to see if China's is open.
Again.
We have some shrimp tacos again.
Casey.
Got some groceries before we head to San Ignacio tomorrow. Go to China's one more time. Hey, Rich.
So good.
So good we had to come 3 times.
Yeah, that's not too many.
Headed back to camp after a muy bueno, much delicious meal. Yep. Last night's dinner, $16 for 2 full meals over there. Today at China's, I think it was what? It was 7 tacos, $12. Way too many tacos. The dinner included drinks. This China's did not. BYO. One last night, Bahia de Los Angeles. After spending 4 great nights at Bahia de Los Angeles, we caravaned down to San Ignacio and further down the peninsula to Mulahey and Bahia de Concepcion. Gas in Baja. Gotta get it when you got it. And diesel, gotta get it when they got it.